What's the meaning of additional? Additional. 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 The word additional means further, extra or supplementary. It refers to something that is added to what is already there or available. For example, if you order a meal at a restaurant and then decide to add an additional side dish, you are requesting an extra dish to be included in your order. The result of adding something additional can be positive or negative depending on the context. In some cases, it can enhance or improve the existing situation, while in other cases, it may lead to unnecessary expenses or complications. Therefore, it is important to carefully evaluate the need for additional items before making a decision.